How to use TikTok Live Wallpaper. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down to the cache and cellular data section, and from there click on wallpaper. And here you will land on the live wallpaper section of TikTok. Here you will find all of your live wallpapers that you have downloaded. So if you don't have any or you need to find new ones, just click on the red button that says find wallpaper, and here you will be redirected to the section or the page where you will be able to find and download new wallpapers. Say for example, let us find a good one, this one for example. Now once you find your wallpaper that you want to use, click on the share icon at the bottom right, and at the menu tabs at the bottom, scroll it till you find set as wallpaper and click on it. The wallpaper will be downloaded and it will give you a preview, so click on set as wallpaper. Click on set wallpaper to confirm. You can choose whether you want it on home screen or home and lock screen. Choose the option that you want. And now the wallpaper has been set and it will be applied, as you can see. So let us go back to the wallpaper section so we can figure everything out. Here you will find the wallpaper that you have downloaded. You can also click on the button at the bottom that says find out how to set wallpapers for extra informations. And the settings gear icon at the top right is the sound option, which you can turn off or on, but it works only if the song doesn't have copyright. So if the song has copyright, it won't work, it will be like muted. But as you can see here, you can set the song as you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can set live wallpapers on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.